friends, welcome back to my channel. If you recently started vegan journey, you might already ask yourself, what would I cook on Thanksgiving instead of turkey? On my channel I have some entrees that would be perfect on Thanksgiving. Among of those are vegan meatloaf and amazingly tasty vegan lasagna. So go ahead and check that out. Also in today's video we're gonna be making delicious vegan shepherd's pie that will easily replace the turkey. Even meat eaters will love it. So let me show you how to make it. We're gonna start by peeling and cutting about 8 medium potatoes. Transfer them into medium pot, cover with the water and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiled, we're gonna add half a teaspoon of salt and simmer on low heat until the potatoes are soft for about 25 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna thinly slice 1 onion, 2 carrots, 3 celery stalks and 3 cups of mushrooms. In a pan with a bit of oil, saute the onion for a few minutes. Then add carrots, celery and minced garlic and saute for 3 to 5 minutes. Add mushrooms and cook for another 5 minutes. Once mushrooms release the liquid, we're gonna add a half a cup of tomato paste and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Mix everything well, add 1 cup of vegetable broth and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Season to taste with salt, dried parsley, basil, thyme and black pepper. Mix everything well and remove from the heat in 2 minutes. By this time potatoes should be fully cooked. We're gonna mash them and add vegan butter and salt if needed. Before you mash it, it's better to drain the remaining liquid in a separate container and add it back gradually until you reach the consistency you want. Transfer the veggie mixture into the baking dish and spread mashed potato on top evenly. You can go ahead and make some patterns with a spoon if you wish. Broil at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10-15 minutes until the top is golden. Remove from the oven and treat your loved ones on Thanksgiving, Christmas or any other occasion. It tastes amazing, fulfilling and would look fantastic on your holiday table. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell. Also share in the comment section your favorite Thanksgiving meal. See you in the next video. Bye!